interesting past 12 or so hours on the boat. So right now we are motoring and we are on our way to Bass Harbor because we really need to do a pump out because we're having issues with our septic tank, which is a fun time. So while Mom and Dad do the pump out, the plan is probably for Joanna, Leonie, and I to go to shore, try to find a post office because that's been one of Leonie's goals. There's a seal?
A nosy seal.
Wait, I want to see. Hi! Cute! This is a big seal.
Yeah.
Okay, anyways. What was I saying? Oh, wait, guys.
Seal interruption.
Seal interruption. Okay, so we're going to go to Bass Harbor, do a pump out, go on shore, and then we're going to start heading for the Egomogan Beach and see how far we can get today, and I'll update you on that. Yeah. That's the plan for now, and there's like no wind, so we have to motor and we can't sail. But yeah, I'm currently eating my breakfast, which is milk and granola on deck. Alright, so we just spent the longest time getting to this harbor. We did tons of research last night to make sure it had a pump out. And we get here, so in like half an hour circling the harbor, trying to figure out which one of their several marinas has the pump out. And then we finally get to the dock.
The middle, the one in midship, yes.
And the harbor master, right as we tap to the dock, comes over to us and he's like, oh, like, how can I help you guys? And we're like, we need a pump out. He says, we don't have one. We haven't had one of those in years. He's like, I can get you water, but that's all. So the closest pump out station is an hour and a half away. So So Mom just made us some breakfast burritos for breakfast or lunch. Not really sure what the meal this is. And time to eat. Alright, have at it. It started.
We are sailing into Northeast Harbor on Mount Desert Island to finally complete our quest to do a pump out. And then we think the girls will have a very fun time on shore exploring Northeast Harbor, maybe taking the shuttle over to Bar Harbor. And after getting a mooring, Tiffany and I may follow. We may all take showers tonight, which well, we haven't done in how many weeks? No, just we've been swimming every day, and yeah, so that's about it.
Not sounding good at all. So, hello. Oh no. We got to this harbor and the first pump out station we saw is like, well, there's no way we can get to it. So we called the harbor master and there's another one, but someone's been on it for a few hours and they're going to be on it for a few hours because it's also a maintenance one, a maintenance float and pump out float. So that's rough, and they have no moorings available and no anchoring spaces, so we might not be able to stay here tonight, or we won't be able to stay here tonight. So now we have to find another new plan. It's been a little bit of a rough day. Hi. Okay, so we were able to pump out here, and these people are really nice. That's Mom and Dad motoring away, and now Mom and Dad are going to sail around for a few hours, and we're going to explore this area, take a bus somewhere. We'll see.
And we are looking for a post office.
Yes, that's Leonie's main concern this whole trip, because she has mail to send back home. So we found a post office, and now we're walking around trying to figure out how to take the buses. Hannah's being a tourist to find the bus schedule.
Wait, what time is it?
3:02.
We need to run.
Oh no!
No!
Isn't that one?
It might be coming in 3 minutes.
What about that one, Joe?
It might be that one.
He's like the stereotypical vacation dads.
Oh no!
We walked around for a little bit, looked at the stores, pretty crowded, pretty much all the same, and then we got ice cream. We got Maine Survivor, which is vanilla with peanut butter and other stuff. And we're sitting on the green and waiting for our bus to come.
Okay, so Lydia wanted me to vlog my lunch. So it looks like I have 3 sandwiches, one with brie and cucumber, one with ham and cheddar, one with turkey or chicken and cheddar, and some grapes. And Lydia just took over the wheel and is going to steer us for a little while. And yeah.
Hey guys, do something interesting for the camera. It's not a time lapse. Joe, where are you? Wave. Wave, Lanny. At the camera. Yay.
I'm not even in it.
You are in it.
And I was like, what? Look at the camera lid.
So we are really slow. Maybe we should.
So we are under sail. We have both of our sails up, the Jenny and the Maine. And I feel like I'm gonna drop my phone over the ocean. This is scary. Joanna and I just recreated a picture and we'll put it right here. Hello. So today has been an interesting day. It started off very early. We left our dock in Northeast Harbor at 8 a.m. and we had a very foggy, chilly morning and very hard to see. Almost had to use our foghorn but didn't. And now it's super sunny. It's really warm out. Still have my sea bands on though. We sailed for a little while. Now we're motoring and we are going to Butter Island for a short swim and a short little walk. And then after that, we'll decide where to spend the night. So Joanna's currently rowing us to shore of Butter Island, and we're gonna go on a little hike, and then potentially some of us will swim back. So we've been walking along this beach, collecting rocks, and Joanna found a small piece of sea glass, and Leonie found a large piece of sea glass. Oh no, bye. How's this walk going for you?
Yeah,
It's exhausting.
It is.
My
It's
legs
like
hurt.
uphill. Yep.
No. It's hot. Oh no, it's not really hot.
It feels hot. My lungs hurt. So we reached the top, and this is the view. He's taking a picture of a rock.
Top of Butter Island with beautiful views out onto Penobscot Bay, Eagle Island over here, and I think the mainland and Rockland over this way, and I think these 3 windmills over there in North Haven,
Wait, I can't even see those.
or on North Haven.
Oh yeah, it's way off in the
I saw those on
distance.
that first day.
Yeah. This is the rest of the view, and that's the path back down. Okay, update time. We're back on the boat. We're motoring to our next harbor. Dad, what's our next harbor?
Pulpit Harbor.
Huh?
Pulpit Harbor.
Our next harbor is Pulpit Harbor, and that's where we will be spending the night. Sweet. Look at the sky! We are just entering the harbor, and the view is beautiful.
This is our last night on the boat meal. Tradition. Tuna Alfredo pasta with peas, because that's all we had on one last night on the boat. Now we always eat it on our last night. Bon appetit.
Hello. I don't know when we last updated, but we're in the harbor. It was a beautiful sunset. We had a really nice dinner, and now we're working on collages of our week. So this is the front side of mine. It says Sailing Pursuit, because that's the name of our boat, and Maine, because we sailed around Maine. And then this is the back so far. There's a little canoe, rowboat thing, waves, compass, and then an envelope. And wait, hold on. In the envelope are 2 pictures. This picture and this picture, which I printed with my little photo printer that connects to my phone. That's really cool. And everyone else has been working on theirs as well. Would you like to show yours so far?
Yes, I can.
Lydia was not expecting this.
So, it also says Maine 2022, and there are 3 photos. One from sailing, on the boat, and when we were hiking.
Yeah. Everyone's looks so good and like different, but like cohesive, and it's really cool.